We're back for another test. You guys asked for it when we did the tug of war. This time, we're doing a full-out drag race between the Archon K350 and Custom Offset's flagship truck, CO2. On one side, we've got the diesel, it's turbocharged, it's on an 8-inch BDS, and on the opposite side, we've got a supercharged 6-liter gasser in the 2500 riding on a 6.5-inch BDS. Should these trucks be drag raced? Probably not, but you asked for it, so it's time to see which one will be the winner.
And what better place to test these two trucks than Road America? Not only one of the best tracks in the state, but arguably one of the best racetracks in the entire country. Lined up on the historic front straight, the Power Stroke stands tall with its 8-inch BDS lift kit, 26x14 Archon Crown Series victories, and 40-inch Fury tires. The previous tug of war champion lurks in the shadows, equipped with a 6.5-inch BDS lift kit, 26x14 Archon Lincolns, and 37-inch fuel tires. But where it counts this time is under the hood. Freshly tuned, the Power Stroke puts the power to the pavement with its turbocharged diesel engine, 6-speed transmission, and our brand new drive shafts, courtesy of Dana. CO2 brings a Whipple supercharged 6-liter V8 to the line, along with a load of confidence, bald eagle power, and a do-it-for-Dale mentality. At this point, it's anyone's race.
So Fuller kind of really embarrassed us in the Super Duty last time with the tug of war and breaking it. So hopefully we redeem ourselves on this round. At the tug of war, this was completely stock. We've had some time. We've now got EGR delete. I've got a GDP Easy Link in here with a 200 horse smoke tune that Brad does not know about. So hopefully we can distract him with a little smoke and win this thing that way. We got a 5-inch exhaust, straight back, no mufflers, no anything, got rid of all the emissions stuff. So we're making quite a bit more power than we were before. And then Dana Corp hooked us up with new front and rear drive lines. So they're going to be a lot stronger than the one Fuller snapped. So in theory, there's nothing that can go wrong other than, maybe grenading this thing, but send it, right?
All right, as most of you know, CO2 was victorious for round 1. So we decided we have to have a round 2 to embarrass them again. So we're back here. This time, we're doing a drag race. We're going to go get set up here, and then we're going to do it for Dale, rip some bald eagles, and destroy this Ford again. Hopefully the Ford breaks again. That'll be great. Whoa, baby! Oh, no. Oh, no.
Bye-bye, Brad.
Not even close. Holy s***.
So, we walked him. So we're going to tell him that, we'll do a second run just to make him feel better about himself. But we're going to do a few things. We're going to hurt him even worse this time. So it's going to be fun.
I guarantee we'll run it a couple more times, though, and then that'll break, and then we'll win. Help you?
I didn't see you back there.
I couldn't see you either because of all the black smoke. I couldn't see either. So that's why I was losing, because I had to slow down. I couldn't see.
Oh, you want me to turn the smoke tune off?
Yeah, turn your smoke tune off. Let's race after the EPA comes and makes you put all that back on. Then we can race. The only thing that I have to say is, although CO2 may have lost on the top end, the first 100 foot CO2 won, and the first 100 foot everyone knows that's a driver's race. So what's that say? Who's a better driver? We all know.
We should probably go look at the black marks because the first 100 foot I did nothing but spin.
That's poor driving. That's all I can say. See, CO2, you don't have to worry about that. It doesn't spin. You just go.
That's because there's not enough torque.
Yeah.
So we've got like 1,100 foot-pounds of torque in there. What do you want me to do? Put drag slicks on so I hook up? You want to try to
You got to modulate that throttle pedal. It's all about the modulation of the throttle. Okay. That's what every good driver knows that.
I'm gonna get back in. I need to get to Chicago like right now because I got to get a wrap on that thing for SEMA. So I'm out of here.
I don't have to do anything today, so I guess I'll go back to work. Bye. Fuller has plans sometimes, and he knows them, but he doesn't share those plans with anyone else, so he just gets in and goes and drives around and leaves everyone else clueless.
What is that called, a red?
Yes, that'd be a red personality trait, probably.
Fuller is straight red. But we love him.
Good thing we got that 200 horse tune. So that's the drag race. Neither of us broke, so that's the big plus. I don't have to do any extra work.
I'm thinking. Whoa, baby! Oh no! Oh no! Oh boy! Not even close. We got him off the line. That's about all we got.